Right, okay, so back onto the Mini Countryman 2011 plate. Now we're going to show you what's happening with the rear air vents, which are behind the rear bumpers. So my colleague's just putting a hose up underneath the rear bumper there. We've got a flexi camera in here, which we're going into the rear box section. And that black cover there is your box section, in the box section is your air vents. It's quite hard to see, but there is water coming through the air vent. So there we go, we can see it just dribbling down the top of that one now, so it's quite hard to see, but that would be the driver's side air vent. Just trying to give you a better look at that air vent now. It's just leaking on that corner just here. Okay, so we've got this one leaking here, and if we just quickly come over to the driver's the passenger side one, and we'll just do exactly the same. So I'll just quickly put my camera down into the box section, and then what we're looking for in there. Okay, and so this is the passenger air vent. So we can see the shiny bits there, which is very faded, but you can see that they're letting water through, and then obviously that's filling up the boot section. So there we go.